YouTube. Right now it's about 1:12 in the morning. I've been on the road since 6:30 the following morning, so I'm really tired. This package came in today, and my neighbor held it for me until I got home. So now I'm just going to make a quick unboxing before I go to bed. So let's get to it. Another box in here. Let me take this out. It is my oil pan that I ordered. Yeah, this one's really not a performance part. I just needed one because I was under the car and I noticed that there was some damage under the bottom right here due to the car being low and I'm hitting stuff. So I decided to get a new oil pan. Okay, got some new washer and bolt. Hold on here. That's where the oil pump pickup is, right there at the bottom. The only performance thing this thing has is it adds an extra half a quart of oil. That ain't much, but then again, a little extra oil is a good thing. So that's it. And got some more parts coming. So until then, I see you.